guys, welcome back to our channel Race. In my previous video I have taught question number 11 of Mbose Sslc examination 2015. Let's continue with question number 12. So what is the question here? For what value of k does the quadratic equation 9x square plus 8kx plus 16 equals to 0 have equal roots? So what is said in the question, that means we have to find the value of k. Here given quadratic equation is, from this given quadratic equation we have to find the value of k. So how to find the value of k? Let's start. So our given equation here in the question is, so given, that means given in question quadratic equation 9x square plus 8kx plus 16 equals to 0. Let us compare this given quadratic equation with the general form of quadratic equation. If you compare this one with general form of quadratic equation, so we can write here a value of a is 9, value of b is 8k, and value of c is 16. Now since it is said equation have equal roots. Now when a quadratic equation have equal roots, what we know, so let me write that one. Since equation have real and equal roots, so we know that discriminant in short we write d equals to 0. So when the equation have real and equal roots, a value of the discriminant is equals to 0. Now you know the formula of discriminant is b square minus 4ac. So here we have equals to 0, so equals to 0 b squared. So here you can see value of b is 8k, so in place of b we can write 8k, so it is 8k square minus 4, you can write into also a, in place of a, here it is a is equals to 9, so in place of a you can write 9, and c, in place of c you can write 16 equals to 0. Now 8k square, so 8k square in rough, 8k square means 8k into 8k, so 8 into 8 is 64. Here power of k is 1, here power of k is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, so it is 64k square. So here we can write 64, so we get 64k square, that is 8 square is 64, we have k square, so square, minus, now multiply 4 into 9, 4 9s are 36, so 4 9s are 36, and here we have 16. So 36 multiply with 16. 6 into 6 is 36. 6 carrying 3. 3 6 18. 18 plus 3 is 21. 1 into 6, 6, 3 into 1, 3, plus 6, 3, 6 plus 1, 7, 3 plus 2, 5. So we got 576 equals to 0. Now since we have to find the value of k, that means this number 576, we have to shift to the right side of the equation. 64 k square. Now when you shift from left side of an equation a number to a right side, then the sign changes. Here we have minus sign. When you take this one to right side, the minus sign will change to plus. Minus sign changes to plus. So minus 576. So here it will become plus 576. Here between 64 and k square, no sign. That means here it is multiply. Now when we shift any number from left to right, if the sign is multiply, it changes to divide. K square. So 576 divided by 64. So if you want to cancel, here you can see a number is 4, here a number is 6. So you can divide by 2 both the number. So you can divide. Well, before dividing in that way, let me show another way also. 576 divided by 64. Very easy to find it. How you get 576? Now you see here, you can see here we have 4 and the last number here is 6. So if you read the multiplication table of 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12, 4 into 4 is 16. So n number is coming 6. So let us try, and here also n number is 6. So 64 you multiply by 4. Let's see what comes. 4 into 4 16, 1 carrying, 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. So here we are getting 256, but we need 576. Now 4 by what number multiplying by what number, a number will get 6. So very simple, that is 4 into 9. 4 9s are 36. So a number we are getting 6. That means this number will multiply by 9. So it's 4 9s are 36. 6 carrying is 3. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 3. So 7 5. So we get 576. So you can write here 576. So how many times we did? 9 times. That means this one, if you cancel, we are getting 9. Or you can do what? Or just you can do another thing. 576, you can, both the number you can divide by 2, so you can divide by 2. 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Similarly this one divide by 2, 2 2s are 4, carrying 1, so it becomes 17. 8 2s are 16. So 17 minus 16 is 1 carrying, so 1. 8 2s are 16. So similarly you can just simply both the number you can divide by 2. So 16, 144, 8, 72, 4, 36, and 4 9s are 36. This also you can do. So k square we got 9. Now k square 9, what we can write? 3 into 3. Into 3 we can write 3 square, and you write here plus minus. So here we have a square, here we have a square. Square cancel. So we got the value of k plus minus 3. So our question was find the value of k. So here we got the value of k. So our answer is finally plus minus 3. So I did explain about where form we got this plus minus. Now if you have any doubt where form we get plus minus, write in the comments so that I can reply you where form we get plus minus. And in our next video you will get question number 30.